Many people often ask me, moving face muscles may cause more wrinkles on our face? My answer is yes and no. It depends. So yes means if you are randomly moving your face like this, yes, it creates more lines. Or if you are making frown lines without realizing that causes lines. But face yoga method poses are focusing on the area you want to work on and relaxing the rest of the face muscles. So let me show you. So many muscles on our face, and we are using these muscles to communicate, show emotions. It's not just a word we are saying, we are communicating. It's a facial expressions. And I'm so interested in how we can isolate the face muscles so that we can get the most benefit out of the poses. For example, when you focus on certain area of your face muscles, you can even do this. My forehead is completely relaxed. Or even you can move your ears. And by the way, it took me about 3.5 months to move my ears. It was really strange feeling. I learned it from one of my friends. She was able to move her ears, and it was so funny to do that. And then she told me, oh, just focus on the back of the head, like back of the head. How I could focus on the back of my head, I had no idea. But it's just like riding a bicycle. Once you get that, once you know how to move it, you never forget. So now I can move my ears. I can move under my eyes by isolating the muscles. So, answering the questions, moving face muscle cause more wrinkles? Yes and no. And if you target and focus and work on the certain area of the face, you want to get the result and relax the rest of the face muscles? Nope, you get the benefit. You don't cause wrinkles. It's like a body exercise.